Oh no, your shoe came off. Oh no. Let me just take a moment to make a plug here for the best shoes in the world right there. Arc'teryx. Never come off when you need them.
Oh, gonna get me a pair. Now you know you're ready, because you are one with the elements.
Feeling good.
I just want to take a moment to thank Liam for this amazing tour. It was the best tour of my life. I felt every moment very safe. He was in control the whole time.
Wow.
And as a tourist, as a non-experienced passenger, I think my experience was pretty good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Could have used a passenger briefing.
I could use a passenger briefing.
That would have made it
right through those ways.
Would have made it a little bit better.
나처럼 만난 친구는 없어. I don't need to say a word. Favorite 영화도 favorite 음식도 같아. 지금 이 노래도 춤추고 싶잖아. 어쩔 땐 너가 mysterio. 있으면 좋겠다 생각해. 날 위로해주는 지금 이 음악처럼 무슨 말해도 내 맘이 춤을 춰. Got my phone now, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go, to go. When you go, go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my stereo, stereo. Stereo. When you say I'll be there for you. 진심인 게 느껴져. 눈물 날 때도 웃겨 배 아플 때도 지금 이 순간도 내 옆에 있잖아. 어쩔 땐 너가 mysterio. 있으면 좋겠다 생각해. 날 위로해주는 지금 이 음악처럼 무슨 말해도 내 맘이 춤을 춰. Got my phone now, got my stereo now. You know I don't want you to go.
All right. Wow. What a start to 2024. It's already been amazing. Our new class has started now, our January class. And I'm just up here with Leo and Liam, both finishing up their last class in 2023. And I'm just doing a R44 endorsement right now with Liam, who's been flying. And Leo's along as a passenger. He wanted to come up in the mountains and have a chance to play around a bit more with power management. And so we thought bring an extra passenger along with us will be good for that. So that's our plan today. We're just we're just playing around in the mountains, checking out the power, checking out some confined areas, and just having some fun as well along the way. We landed at a lake here at 4,500 feet and just thought we'd explore a little bit. Anyways, I've been doing a bit of reflecting and thinking about what I want the channel to look like in 2024. And I thought, what better way to do that than to ask you guys what it is that you would be interested in seeing more of. So as we start 2024 and going forward, I want to start making more regular videos. I like to do a video a week, and ideally I'd like to get some content out there that you guys are looking for. So if you have ideas, if you have things that you've seen us talk about a bit, you want some more clarity on maybe, or topics that we haven't covered, then post them in the comments of this video, and I'd like to get some of those videos going this year. All right, so for now we're just gonna enjoy the last few minutes up here and then head out and make our way back, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. or so far?
It's smooth. The hydraulics is so different. The pedals are something to get used to, but overall it's so like it's much smoother of a flight.
Yeah. Main controls.
You just gain speed so quick on it too.
Yeah.